guys, and happy Sunday. So this one's going to be a little bit different of a video. I am doing a voiceover because I didn't really feel well on Sunday, so I didn't record much. But I started my day testing out this new champagne toast candle from Bath & Body Works. It's really strong scent. I spent most of my time hanging out, making some content. I put up my bag unboxing on Instagram on today, I think. And I just hung out with my family. And I hadn't eaten all morning, and I really wanted some shrimp and grits. So first I figured out what we had in the freezer so I can make food prep for the next couple of days. I will be off from work in like 2 days, and then I'll be on break for a week. So I just hung out with the family. Here's my girl playing her favorite Christmas song. Well, I got everything ready, and then I made some shrimp and grits. I just used regular packs of grits for now. I also can cook them in a pan, but that's what we had available in the moment. On the shrimp, it's just salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, olive oil, and a lot of butter and Cajun seasoning. I also started watching Reasonable Doubt on Hulu. It's a really good show about a lawyer. And FYI, Michael Ealy is in it, so go ahead and watch that. Watched about maybe 6 episodes, and then I went ahead and made dinner. This is my husband's plate. And then I meal prepped for myself the rest of the week for lunch and dinner. And I did my daughter's hair before she went to bed, and then that was it. That's my Sunday. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.